Hey everyone, Computer Maestro here, and today I will show you how to set up a local Core FiveM server on your PC in 2025. First of all, let's download everything we need. Go on the official FiveM website, click Create Your Own Server, and click Create Server. Now, navigate to the left side of the screen and click Setting up a new server using txadmin. Now, click the Windows Server build listing as shown here. This button should take you to a page where you will click the big blue button saying Latest Recommended to download the server files. After downloading the files, create a folder, and in that folder, create a subfolder. In that subfolder, extract the 7-zip archive you just downloaded. Now, delete the original 7-zip archive. Now, it's time to install XAMPP. XAMPP is a required tool when running a FiveM server on your computer. To download the XAMPP, click the link in the description and hit download. After installing XAMPP, run it and press the start button located next to MySQL. You will need to run this every time you go to run your server. Now it's time to install Core. Navigate to the subfolder you just created, find fxserver.exe and run it. After a few seconds, a page as shown here should have opened. If you already have a CFX account, hit the link button, otherwise create an account first and then link it. Register a password for your txadmin console. Once you have completed the account linking process, hit next, then name your server and hit next again. Now navigate to popular recipes and click Core. Leave everything as is and click save and run the recipe. Then click next one more time. Now you are prompted to input a license key. To get the license key, you need to click Keymaster as shown here. Log into your CFX account and click New Server on the left bar. Give it a name and hit Generate. Once it's done, copy the key and paste it on the txadmin page. After that, click Run a recipe. Now wait for Core to install. After a couple of minutes, it should have finished, so click Next and finally, hit Save and restart server. Finally, it's time to connect to your server. Execute FiveM and you should see a button to connect to your server right below the play button. If you are not seeing this button, press F8 to access the command prompt. Type connect localhost and hit enter. Now you should be entering your server. Now you have successfully created the base to what will hopefully be your unique FiveM server. I must say that this is not a full server ready to be released to public, but it's a base that is easy to work on. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, see the next videos on how to make your server ready for the public.